Hi, so I'm going to be talking to you today about how to make your hair thicker. So this is, I'd say, one of our main concerns in the salon. A lot of people are striving for that thicker hair, and hair thinning can be caused by a variety of reasons. You can have medical reasons, chemical exposure, hormones, heat damage, colour, if you've had colour damage, a lot of things. But we have a beautiful range that we really love for thickening your hair at the salon, and it's called the Kevin Murphy Plumping Range, and it's in pink bottles like this, and you get your shampoo and your conditioner and a leave-in scalp treatment. So this is fantastic for thickening your hair strands and actually pushing your hair into the growth stage. So it helps to kill the hormone that lives on your scalp that causes thinning hair and promotes your hair to actually grow through thicker. It gives instant thicker feel and fuller. It's so nice. Once you start using this, you'll really feel a difference in your hair density. So you've got your shampoo, your conditioner, and then your leave-in scalp treatment. So what this is it just comes out like water, and you just spray it directly onto your scalp after you've washed and conditioned your hair when it's wet, before you blow dry. So when you're going to put your face cream on or whatever before your makeup, spray this onto your scalp and then blow dry it into your hair, and you will really start to notice the results after a couple of weeks. Also, you want to be getting into the habit of using a good treatment that's going to be thickening it and strengthening it. Your Olaplex number 3 is fantastic for sort of rebuilding, restructuring, not heavy, great for hair that's feeling thin. Also, you've got your Kevin Murphy Angel Mask. That's another fantastic one. That's strengthening, helps to rebuild and give you that thickness. And our Full Again, I absolutely love this Full Again. Let me grab this for you one moment. This gives you instant thicker hair. So this, the way your shampoo and your conditioner are working, and they're really giving you the goodness to promote that growth coming through, and as your body mass is, because that's a treatment. If you want that instant hit for thickness, this Full Again's fantastic. It's got the eyelash thickening technology in it, and it coats each strand of your hair with fibres, so it actually gives you a thicker strand. So this is fantastic for that just instant sort of thicker feel, while your plumping range is going to be working to make your hair grow through thicker. I hope you enjoy it, and I'm pretty sure you'll love it once you get into the whole routine. Bye.